If you're losing revenue to untracked cylinders, there's a solution, and it's built right into the NetSuite ERP platform. This is the Delivery Driver mobile app inside the WGS for NetSuite module from Solution Source. Every delivery starts with a route. Your driver's tickets are already listed in the right order, so they know exactly what's next and what's already done. Open a ticket, and asset tracking is built right in. No separate app, no separate login, just tap the barcode icon. Let's say, for this delivery, you'll deliver one full cylinder of Ox 125. I'll tap the camera icon, and I'll scan some barcodes. When I scan my full cylinder barcode, the system knows this is an Ox 125 cylinder, and that'll show in the list. Now, what if my customer says, "Oh, we also need you to pick up this empty cylinder"? Even though I wasn't expecting that on this order, I can tap the Returns tab, scan the empty cylinder, and it'll add it to the list. Your system now knows exactly which asset went out and which one came back. When I hit save, the app will alert me that what I scanned is different than what was expected on this order. But that's what I want, and I'll hit submit. Hard goods can also be scanned or entered right from the app, and that item will get added to the order on the spot, even pulling that customer's specific pricing. This is one piece of what the WGS for NetSuite module can do for gas and welding distributors. To see it working with your data, book a free consultation today. Solution Source is a NetSuite ERP provider specializing in the gas and welding distribution industry.